Yo, we'll be right back. What's up? How y'all doing? We are coming back this week to do another live charting session. Last week we had great results. I hopped on to let you guys trade live with me. I found the trade setups in our live sessions, and then during the morning sessions during New York, I executed live and let you guys make money with me. So let's go back and look through the results, see how we did. Also, we want to take a look at the market this upcoming week and the things that we're looking to happen. And we're going to figure out how we're going to execute to add to our account this week, man. So let's go ahead and jump in. So, TP Sniper, man, what up? Before we look at these other trade setups, let's look at our biggest trade for the week. I got to highlight this baby. Man, this thing had me so excited. So, in most cases, when you see trade setups, you'll see something like a 1 to 2. That simply means if you put up $10, you stand to make 20. This trade setup here, we found this trade setup in our live session, and we executed this trade setup right before the market opened on Thursday, and it gave us a 1 to 42 sale on US 30. Okay, so if you guys put up $100, you would have brung in $4,200 from this one trade setup just from following along with me and using the exact targets and entries that I give you. Okay, so on the 2 hour, I had the market coming to this level. Our sale brung us right to this zone. Man, beautiful trade setup. Played out perfectly, hit all of our targets, and gave us a massive win. So let's go. Big wins for the team. Win. Yeah. Man, so after this win, saying what up, God? After this win, this beautiful setup, we also entered a, what is this? A Euro USD sale, okay? We hit all targets on this thing, and as soon as we reached our TP3, price immediately bought, going in profit on our buy, man. So another win for the team, man. Win. Yeah, we fucked the market up this week. All right, so outside of that US 30 trade and that, what was that, Euro USD, we took a pound USD sale, okay? Pound USD sale, that's a 1 to 10. What was the risk ratio on Euro USD? Okay, so on Euro USD, we only got not only, let me not be disrespectful. We found a 1 to 4 trade, almost 1 to 5. Pretty good. But on pound USD, saying what up, God? On pound USD, we got a 1 to 10. So if you put up $100, you made $1,000 on this trade. You took this trade, you put up 100, you got almost 500. On that US 30 trade, if you put up 100, you got, like I said, $4,200. And these are 3 trade setups. Now this trade setup, this is where we entered into early, okay? And this one we got a lesson. But this is the importance of having the proper mindset when you get into the market, okay? Your losses cannot dictate your overall performance when it comes to trading. So after we got wicked out of this trade, I just let the market develop and show me what I wanted to see, and I got back in right here. And from there, we took this massive move, giving us more profits that we lost on this area right here. Okay, so everything always turns out once you stick to your plans and stay focused. Okay, so outside of those three, we also got into U.S. oil. Now look at this, man. Look at this, man. So U.S. oil hit our entry, which was this double top right here. Okay. And after this thing set us up, we got this trade here, which was a 1-7. So we had an amazing week to finish up in the market. Win. Yeah. Like overall, man, let's see overall before we get into these next couple of trades. I'm seeing a lot of companies, they're like, come trade with us. We're going to get you 260 pips, a month. In this one trade right now, 439 pips. The Euro USD trade, 53 pips. Pound USD, 70 pips. In this US 30 sale we got, that is 1,130 pips. So we got almost 2,000 pips in 1 week of trading for free. So this is a lot of value, you guys. So definitely hop in with us. If you do not know where to begin trading, head over to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. Hit that free courses tab and let me show you how to set up your demo account, how to set up your live account. I'm going to show you how to place trades. That way, when you see me live, you'll be able to make money when I make money. Go green with the team and learn to make profits without being present. All right, so let me peek over here and take a look at the news. And for everybody that stick around towards the end, I'll do a little Q&A for the last few minutes. Okay, what do we have? So Wednesday, we got a lot of news going on Wednesday. So what I think we're gonna see is pretty much the move that I have drawn on US 30 playing out. Want to see some consolidation being formed right here in this area. I also would not be surprised if we created a lower low. To come back like towards this low of this area was price consolidated here. Let's see. Okay, feel the imbalance there. Yep, it's an imbalance here too. So let's look at this previous level of resistance right here. Let's just say there is a chance that US 30 could continue this fall and come down to retest this level here. Man, this is, wow, this is powerful. This was powerful. The same thing happened around this time last year and everybody was looking for the recession, but this move was a lot stronger and we really don't have much underneath supporting this thing, so we'll see what goes on. Oh, damn, look at the weekly. Yeah, V, let's just take this level right here. So right now, you guys, while this thing is in consolidation, if you are not in this trade setup already, we're going to leave this area alone, okay? No trade zone for you. Let me save you from yourself, okay? Because this is what could happen. You always got to look at both sides of the market when you are planning to be successful as a trader, okay? We don't only want to see what's going to happen if the trade goes in our favor, but we want to see what happens if it doesn't. So let's say right now we're in this buy. Of course, this is what we want to see. Now, if this trade does not go that way, looking at the past, all of this is also a valid area of support. Now, the way we teach, we trap price. Damn, I thought the line would be straighter. All right, we trap price and we wait for this area to be retested. Now, in the case of this area of consolidation, the market never pulled back to retest that area. And also, it created support above this area. So this move could really be a bear flag, okay? So yes, I got an entry right here for a buy that was really tight, but again, this move quite possibly could only reach up to fill this area here before continuing to sell, creating that lower low. All right, and if I remember correctly, that would bring price closer to the 200 EMA. Yeah. So we got this 200 EMA right here. And if we wait until that bottom level is hit, or just wait to see what happens with price once we get that retest to this level here, then we'll have a better understanding how to take advantage of US 30. And again, we don't have news until Wednesday, so this move very well could be a continuation pattern. So I'm going to move this in the profit and let the market work. And then from there, we'll, I didn't mean to do that. From there, we'll be able to put together a better trading plan. So let's just let this trade run. Reopen. All right, so hold on 1 second. Oh, here we go.
I'm gonna cover everything from me.
All right, cool. So let me go ahead. What was that news on again? I think it said USD. It was said Euro. Euro news. Pound news. USD. All of this on Wednesday. Oh yeah, Wednesday. Okay, so we got a lot of action on Wednesday. So really pretty much everything that we just took profit on, we need to see how it's going to play out before the news hits on Wednesday. So let's go ahead and start where we ended. Euro USD. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Now we have a uptrend on Euro USD. And right here on the daily, this drop just pulled back to retest the bottom of our upward trend line. Now, we did get a bounce, which is what you would expect off of the trend line. So at this point, we need to monitor how price responds in this area. Looking at the 4 hour, looks like we got a confirmed double top right here at the retest of the lows, showing that we have more support down here, which also means price is creating more liquidity, making this more interesting as far as an area that we would look for with sale opportunities. So right now we got a couple of areas that we can look at to see if price could pull towards to give us some type of signal for a rejection, and let's identify them. So right now what we're going to do is I'm using my fib. I want to check these retracements. Now, right now from this level that we have, the 618 is right above a really strong level that I normally take a look at. I'm sorry. No, I said it right. The 618. Right here at this 50, I'm going to show you guys in a second. Right here at this 50 on the smaller time frame, this move is a bear flag. Okay? Now normally, I've been doing this so long. There's a thing called fractals, okay? Now on a higher time frame, you may see something like this. But on a smaller time frame, you know you have more movement, of course, so it'll be a little more choppy. But this flag was not retested. So there's a good chance that price could pull back towards this level to retest this flag before continuing to move to the downside. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah, we're playing that 618. Okay, so if you capture all the liquidity here and you drop beneath to retest these lows, where would you want to go? Ooh. Ooh, let's go back to a higher time frame. This thing has potential to do a nice retracement. Okay. So yeah, even though it has potential to do a nice move with the strength of this uptrend, this one here on the 4 hour and this one that we made on the 4 hour, I am going to say that we should still be looking for buys. Now, these are the conditions for this buy. If this double bottom that you see right here, right before your eyes, if this double bottom does not hold when price pulls back to retest it, meaning if we get a break beneath these lows, this is a sell. Okay? Now there's nothing else we need to do as far as analytics because we already have a zone set. So pretty much this zone helps us no matter which direction price goes in. If it pulls back to retest that double bottom and continues to move to the upside, that's fine. We got a level of support that's identified right here. Now, if it does the opposite, like I was just showing you guys before, if it continues and breaks beneath that double bottom, let's just simply wait for price to be retested here in this area, and we'll continue to take Euro USD for the sale. Let's Let's see. Let's create a new layout. All right, so when we look at USD or any pairs with USD, anything that has the dollar on the front as far as the pair, like USD JPY, it should directly reflect the dollar index. Okay, so this is, of course, USD JPY, and this is the dollar index. Both of them are obviously in an uptrend, creating a low, and then they both printed this head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern right here. Okay, so we want to use this when we're looking at certain things in order to get a better understanding of which direction to go in because of the correlations. All right, now Euro USD, the USD is on the back end of the pair, so it should have been in an uptrend, which it was. Okay, excuse me, I'm sorry. Yeah, for the overall trend, this was in the downtrend, that was in the uptrend, but when it made this spike to the upside, this side gave you a quick spike moving down. All right, so let's make sure we keep that in mind and take advantage of that too. So this week, we're looking for pullbacks on Euro USD and Pound USD, as well as, what is this, US 30. Pound USD is retesting this double bottom here. So I say by Wednesday, we should have all of that consolidating out of the way. Then we'll be able to see what is really happening when it comes to the ending of the week. We should have some really strong impulsive move by Thursday or Friday. So as of right now, we're looking at this area. Same thing with the other charts. We're looking at this area for the pullback. Oh no, we got a 1 to 16. Now, this is the scary part. Underneath this liquidity here, there is nothing really to stop price. So once price comes back to break this level, we will see a significant fall on Pound USD and Euro USD. Okay. Let's just look to see what the fib says. That looks about a 50%. Looks close to the 50% as far as the tracement. Oh, that's a 50% on the dot. Oh man, we are more than the professionals. The elite. Yeah. Okay. So that's a 236 pull back to retest it. Oh yeah. We better see something. We better see something as far as a bull rally. This is a significant level right here on Euro USD. I'm sorry, Pound USD. And this is right in between two structural levels on our fib, which is normally not good. Normally when you see this, you'll have the continuation or the bear flag that I spoke of. Okay? What time frame? 4 hours? Now this thing could definitely pull back a little more. And that would definitely be the safest place to enter when attempting to get into this sale on Pound USD. Okay, because it already made a significant move. The last thing you want to do is jump in at the end with the FOMO mentality, fear of missing out, and put yourself in a position where your risk reward sucks. And you still get blown out of a trade. I'd rather lose a trade that makes sense than just lose a trade just because I wanted to be a part of it. Oh, man. But hey, if we get a rejection down here at the lows, this will be an inverse head and shoulders on Pound USD. So let's see. Because we do need to retest these highs. And let's see. That looks like that'll give us enough time. Maybe we make this move, this retracement up until Wednesday. Then price starts consolidating, prints a reversal for us on Thursday. Let's see how it goes. Let's see. All right, so we got our alert set. We got set up. So Euro USD, Pound USD. We are already in US 30. Man, we normally murder Euro JPY. Looks like we had a sale set up on Euro JPY and didn't take it. Man, so between our win on US oil last week, I just left trades and didn't take them. Between this sale on US oil, we got this 1 to 7 sale, this 1 to almost 5 sale on Euro USD. Oh, did I delete that trade already? Oh, why did I do that? Okay, it was an accident. So we got a 1 to 16 sale on Pound USD. Let me put that back. Yeah, we were up here at the highs. Yeah, so we got a 1 to 16 on this one. Why did I delete that trade? And we also caught this 1 to 42 trade set up on Euro USD, which is absolutely crazy. Okay, right here. Now, everybody else was looking at buys last week, but I'll show you guys what made me take this trade on US 30. Right here, looking at the RSI, I saw divergence, bearish divergence, and it printed really heavy. The oscillator is creating lower highs while price was creating higher highs. Now, typically when I see this, I'll see 3 touches before the fall. And that's exactly what happened. Okay, this high, and right here, price bounced up. Bounced up again right here, and it just tanked, man. Tanked. So let's see. Now back to that Euro JPY. I don't know what we were looking at on this trade setup, or why we called that sell. But it played out without us in it. But between those setups, I was too excited to catch anything else. Man, we got big wins, man. Almost 2,000 pips in 1 week.
They not like us.
Big wins. So this thing played out and hit all of the targets. Let's see what happens right here in this area. We could see a pullback heading to the highs. Okay, so even though we missed this sell setup, I see exactly what we're looking at. Pretty much the same thing that I was describing with another one of the pairs that we're taking a look at tonight. I teach you guys to make your trade setups by identifying, let me use the path tool, identifying consolidation, and from there we trap price. After you trap price, we simply wait to see which direction price goes in. So this way you remove yourself from being a dictator as far as what you think could happen based on what you learned in technical analysis. If it breaks above the highs, no matter what it does, we wait until price retests that structural level and we take a buy to catch a continuation of the uptrend. This is exactly what we see here. The only difference is this is a line chart, this is a candlestick chart. But if we put it on a line chart, you got the same thing. Price consolidating. In the break, okay? So we use these simple concepts, these simple patterns that repeat themselves over and over again. And we use them as a means to enter and exit the market to make money and let our money let our money work for us. And when we spot these areas using those limit orders, that's how we can make those profits without being present. Okay. All right, V. Let's see. I got on at 9:30. We can go ahead and hop off, jump into the Discord, and start planning for some more setups. But it looked like there's a good chance we can find a buy on this. Created an inverse head and shoulders and retested it. If it break above those highs right here, yeah. And we got a double top sitting right here, waiting to be hit. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out for everybody else, and we're gonna hop into our VIP sessions. Okay, we will jump into that Q&A later on this week. We ran out of time. I'm sorry about that, you guys. We had some fun, but for those that want to get started, you don't know where to begin, head over to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. Hit that free courses tab, or that courses tab, and go to our free courses. We have our free 9-day course. I'm going to show you how to set up your demo accounts, set up your live accounts, and also show you how to place trades and properly leverage them, so you'll be equipped with a proper trading plan when you enter the markets. We also have our mindset series, Structure Breaking. This is going to help you connect everything and get to that next level by understanding the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, and moving into alignment by using your words and being intentional to speak your reality into existence. Then we have a few books available on Amazon. 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results. This book covers all of the concepts that we use in our live trading and our live charting sessions. We also have a few log books to help you guys log your trades and also your emotional state in the process. Okay, last but not least, we got our merch. So support the vision, support the dream, and remember that you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?
Okay, let the streets know. Okay, let the streets know. Okay, okay.
Just when it